This is Motorola Moto E32s, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can enter and use the camera Pro mode on this device. So to start, let me launch the camera application itself. Then in order to enable the Pro mode, you gotta opt for the more options over here and, well, choose the Pro icon among the menu. So basically what the camera Pro mode on this device is the more manual control. So the camera provides you with an opportunity to manually correct such things as white balance and set its value manually, as you can see. Camera speed or shutter speed. It is a tool allowing you to take lighter photos even when the ambient lighting that you have around you is not sufficient. Manually change the ISO value and exposure value as well. In here you can also change the focus distance, so set the manual focus in other words. And well, that will be pretty much it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.